Hi everyone. Week 1 went very well. Good job getting used to taking the course in an online format. I enjoyed reading all your introduction discussions. We have an awesome class. I know becoming familiar with the labs has been challenging for some. However, you're likely experts now at creating and submitting .pdf files for the lab assignments. Way to go. This is week 2. This week we'll be investigating problem solving, chapters 3.1, percent applications, chapter 3.2, and geometry applications, chapter 3.4. Please review the specific week 2 learning outcomes as well as the sample schedule, which I placed in the weekly overview page to assist you with time management. To achieve the learning outcomes, you need to read through the free online OpenStax textbook, take notes, watch the instructional videos, and complete the homework assignments for chapters 3.1 to 3.2 and 3.4. At the bottom of the week's module, you'll see 2 new lab assignments. Lab 3 is another 2-part worksheet, and Lab 4 is a practice test 1. Do not forget to attend a minimum of 2 of Naraya's virtual lab support sessions each week to help you with the lab assignments. Yes, we do have our first test, test 1. Please read the directions very carefully and knock it out of the park. Do not hesitate to reach out to me for assistance. Have a terrific week.